Hi, I'm Richard Hammond, the short one of that car show you've probably seen. And this is the Smallest Cog, my restoration workshop. Come and have a look around. Welcome. This is, just to be clear, this is a real business. This is what I did after I finished doing that car show. And I did it because I've always loved classics. I've always loved working on my own cars. My grandfather was a coach builder. That's what he did. And I wanted to be part of the industry, not just commenting on it. So this is my little bit of the automotive industry. We kitted it out as best we could. These are paint booth, that's paint shop, that's the prep booth. I sold a 1969 911T, the Bentley S2 and various motorcycles to pay for all of those things. Ow! I sold my classic cars in order to be able to restore other people's classic cars. This whole place was just an empty barn when we took it on. So we had the stairs fitted, the rooms, the offices, the canteen, everything. That also cost a fortune and I had to sell some more cars to do that. This is the office. This is, well, it was always my office from the start. This is my desk, which was made from an old desk from a school science lab. It has the gas taps still on it. And then there's pictures that get sent in all the time by viewers of the TV show, which is really nice. And that's my Jaguar. I actually have that car. We restored it. That's it doing the Tulip Rally in 1959 in the Netherlands. So this is the office. I sit there and read classic car magazines. Onwards, although we're nearly there, it's the balcony. That's a scooter. It's actually mine, but we decided to dress it up as the Smallest Cog rescue vehicle for a trip we made to France. It's a long story, you'll have to watch the show. Then we go up to the second balcony because we have two. These handrails we made here. They're actually made from parts from an old Mini, and I rather like them. They're aesthetically pleasing. That is a tour of the workshop. As a kid, I dreamed of my workshop being like the ones in the car manuals I used to look at, where they had all the parts, they had lifts and jacks and all the right tools. And that's one of the things that informed this for me. This is a place where cars come along and we have the knowledge, the expertise and the equipment to put them right.